Contractor won't finish the job, you're in good company. The Better Business Bureau says last year it received about 72,000 complaints against construction businesses.
Tonight, Action News Jax investigates a local contractor accused of dogging a pet rescue out of thousands of dollars. We sent Ben Becker, and he got results.
Peggy Haynes.
All right, babies.
Whoa.
Oh.
Has been running Pet Rescue North in Jacksonville for more than 30 years. And in that time, she's cared for thousands of dogs and cats. But now she's having trouble doing that. The animals are dealing with extreme temperatures, and the 81-year-old says she's out thousands of dollars. What's back here, Peggy?
This is where the unit was supposed to go.
Right there?
Right there.
Haynes tells me she hired this man, Richard Parnell, to install a new air conditioning heating unit for one of her kennels. Here's the check made out to Parnell for $4,525. But she says the work was never done.
Oh, people have a lot of opinions. Some of them thought, well, you shouldn't have given him the money first. But I trusted the man, you know, I mean, after 20-some years.
Haynes filed this police report with JSO and wrote this demand letter to Parnell sent via certified mail. It's per statute 489.126, which states that a contractor has to apply for permits necessary to do work within 30 days and start the work within 90 days because Parnell received more than 10% of the money up front.
There's no requirement that you give any money in advance.
Dale Carson is Action News Jax law and safety expert.
Under this statute, it becomes a criminal matter.
I sent my findings to the state attorney's office asking if charges will be filed, and they sent me a statement that reads, law enforcement initially deemed this a civil issue. A subsequent review by the state was unable to uncover evidence that currently supports a criminal charge at this time. I later learned that's because there wasn't a signed contract. I decided to do something about it. I went to Parnell's listed address. His truck was there, but his roommate tried to close the door on the matter.
When are you going to do the job, Richard? Will you come out and talk to me, Richard?
Hi, this is Ben Becker with Action News Jax.
I didn't stop with the cold shoulder. I contacted Snyder Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electric. They came out and donated some equipment to the shelter. Haynes emailed me, writing, "Thank you so very much. Our unit was installed this morning. Our dogs will be toasty this weekend. You are absolutely awesome." But Haynes still has some bite when it comes to Richard Parnell.
If he never gives me back the money, I would love to see him in jail.
Remember, as Dale Carson said, there's no rule that you have to put any money down for work done by a contractor. Now, if you are going to do that, make sure to use a credit card so you can dispute any charges. If you have any disputes, send me an email, sendben@actionnewsjax.com. For coverage you can count on, Ben Becker, Action News Jax.